The difference between hot-rolled and cold-rolled steel. In the steel industry, understanding the difference between hot rolling and cold rolling is essential for choosing the right raw materials. Each has specific characteristics in terms of surface, accuracy, strength, and application. What is hot-rolled steel? Hot-rolled steel is produced by heating steel above 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, that's over 900 degrees Celsius, and rolling it while it's still hot. This process makes the steel easier to shape and form. Once it's rolled, it's left to cool in the open air. The result is a product with a rough surface, less precise dimension. What is cold-rolled steel? Cold-rolled steel begins as hot-rolled steel, but is then processed further at room temperature. This extra step improves surface finish, dimension accuracy, and strength. The result? A smoother, sharper, and more aesthetically pleasing product. It's ideal for products like automotive parts, home appliances, and metal furniture. Matters in roll forming. In roll forming, material selection is key. Cold-rolled steel gives you clean edges and tight profiles. Hot-rolled steel offers strength and cost savings for structural parts. At LOTOS Forming, we help you choose the right material for the right project.